Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I wanted to come on here and show you guys what I came up with the template that I found. The link to the template will be in the description box. But I just think these are too adorable. I have not decorated them yet, but I know you guys out there are crafters, so you can hook these up. Let me just put a little bit down. Look at those, y'all. Look at these. These are super, super, super cute. And as you can see, I have small, medium, and a bigger one. You guys, these are like cute, fun to do. Now, this one, I actually printed this one out and tweaked the template a little bit. This is what the original template looks like. I changed it up a little bit on my own, but if you keep watching, I will show you how I did that. And then for this, I actually used a little bit of Velcro to, like keep it on there. Y'all, this is cute. It's cute. It's adorable. You can use these as treat bags, goodie bags, put some candy down in them, a little bit of nail polish, chapstick, whatever. This one, my kids said they're going to use this for their Barbie, so that's what this one is going to be. It's super cute. And this one I used, for both of these, I cut these out with my cutting machine, but with this one I actually used some pattern or some colored, paper that you get from the craft store. Now, y'all, I can see this for like a Tiffany's inspired event, baby shower, wedding, and you put the name on, y'all. So much you can do with this here. Please use the template. The link is in the description box. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to ask. But I'm going to show you guys pretty much how I did this, so stay tuned. Okay, so I actually did this two different ways because I know once upon a time, y'all, I did not have a cutting machine. So I know that everyone does not have one. So I did go on ahead and print it out. And I'm going to cut it out to show you what it looks like if you do that option with the template, as well as if you take it and just, I just cut it out on cardstock. This one is cardstock. This one is pattern cardstock that I have cut it out on. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. I'm going to show you, printed versus the cutting machine, what it looks like, and things like that. Actually, you know what? In the midst of cutting this out, I got an idea to do a different type of purse. So I'm just going to cut straight across. I'm not going to put this handle. I'm not going to put the hole. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to cut from here on across. Okay, so once you get everything cut out, you may want to just use this as a template if you do not want these lines to show up on your actual purse. That way you just lay this down on your paper and trace it. But if you, like me, you just don't care, it's going to be on the inside, not on the outside, then by all means, just keep printing out the template. Now on these dotted lines, this is going to be where you fold and you do your creases. And because I want this to be on the inside, I'm going to fold it going in. Yeah, I'm going to make my folds going in. So I'm just folding it one at a time. Y'all, the weather done changed so much. It was cold the other day. Now it's back to being hot. This weather don't know what it want to do. Okay, so I have everything folded in like that, to where if you go ahead and fold it in the middle and you lift up, as you can see, you now have the little purse. And that's why I said, the inside don't really, it's not going to show. So that don't matter. I'm going to go ahead and hit the inside, the middle pieces, with some glue stick. And I'm just going to go ahead and fold this one up. And then I'm going to do the same to these ends right here. Put some glue stick on it. And then lift it up. Fold this on in. To where this is what we have right now. And I am going to do a strap as well as what is that, like a flap that folds over. It's going to be pretty simple, easy to do. Okay, so pretty much what I did was I took something that looked like this and pretty much cut it out to where I got this, which is going to act as like the flaps for the purse. And then of course for the strap, you just cut out a little line, and then it's going to look like that, which is freaking cute and adorable. And then you decorate it. You can fill this with some goodies, some candy, some nail polish, chapstick, whatever you want to fill this bad boy up with. Okay, so let's move along to the ones that I cut out with my cutting machine. So these are the actual, oops, my bad, are the actual template, I guess. This is what it actually looks like. I didn't edit this. As you see, it is just pulling up super easy. I love it. Okay, so this is what we got. I'm going to go ahead and take the hole out. Look at that. Y'all, this cutting machine, now that I've done tried it, I kind of like it. Kinda. I still don't like doing the words and all. Ooh, got my fat hanging out. Jesus Christ. Okay. Now it did cut the little dots. I'm not sure if you can see the dots. So this is really easy and simple to just go ahead and fold in because the dots are there. So this is pretty much just easy peasy. Are you done? No, son, I'm not done yet. Almost, okay? Okay, so now that everything's folded, I'm just going to go ahead and fold this up so I can see what it looks like. And it made a cute little tiny purse. This one is a lot smaller compared to the one that I printed out. But then I also did make another size. This one is even smaller, and this one is super cute. To me, this is like the perfect one. As soon as my kids seen it, they was like, "Oh, Mom, we could use that for our Barbies." And when I held the Barbie up to it, it was the perfect size. Perfect. Now this looks cute, especially for like a Tiffany-inspired event or theme. This is cute. You know, you put a sticker on it. Like, y'all, get these templates, decorate these bad boys up. I know y'all can do it. I know y'all can. Pretty simple. Let's see. Okay, with this one, let's try the glue dots. Let's see what the glue dots look like. Let's see how the glue dots hold up. We did the glue stick. The glue stick did pretty good. So let's see how the glue dots do. Or you guys know you can always use that good old glue gun. Glue gun will never fail you. Glue dots are holding up pretty good. Pretty good. I'm gonna put one up there. Then I'm going to also put one over there. So let's go ahead and stand it up. Are you doing yet? No, son, I'm not done. So this looks like using the glue dots. This is super cute. I'm just gonna let's use some tape. Let's use some tape with the little Barbie on. Let's see what the tape looks like. Goodness, this thing's so small, y'all. Jesus. I don't even know how. This thing is super small. I can't do it. I'm going to have to use the glue stick. That's like how small and tedious this one is. I tried. It just didn't work out that way. You guys, these are super cute. Decorate these. You put names on them. Remember, if you purchase that sticker maker, y'all can go ahead and hook these bad boys up. Let me hit this one too with some glue on the bottom. Whew. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. Y'all, these are super cute. If you want to send me an email of what you created, I would love to see what you guys come up with. You can always email me at divastyleschannel@gmail.com. I would love to see what you guys come up with. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and glue this. Why not, right? Go ahead and glue this bad boy on down. Then I'm going to also put some glue all on this. Now I'm just going to glue the back. I'm not going to put glue on both sides because you do want to be able to open this and you know, put your goodies or whatever you choose to put up in here. You can put some Velcro on this. That would be cute too. But yeah, that's pretty much what I came up with. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. As always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.